You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, including Irish names that can be quite confusing. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. How do you say it? Cailin. K-len, stress on the first syllable. Cailin. Cailin. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Now you know how to say Cailin, right? More videos about how to pronounce more interesting names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.